Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your online status on Telegram. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram and after that, go to settings and after that, go to privacy and security. And here, as you can see, there is in privacy an option called last seen and online. Click on it. And if you don't want to show your status to anyone, just change it to nobody. And you can also hide your read time, and like that, no one will know when you was last time online, and they also will not know when you open and read their messages. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next